Elizabeth City, North Carolina, there are two motocross tracks. We've got the one at Morgan's Corner, and now we are at Elizabeth City Motocross Club. This is a unique property because it's actually a private club. You pay an annual membership to join, and then you can ride the track whenever you'd like. However, they often do a lot of racing, including AMA district racing, which is what's happening today. Even being a race day, I know we're only about halfway through the day, but it's not too dusty out, and the jump faces still look pretty good. The turns are starting to rut up, but that's to be expected with sand. But a lot of these guys know how to ride this sand, and they're really railing those berms. This is a primarily sand track. It is a very safe looking track. Obviously I can't ride it, I'm not racing today, but most of the jumps that are out there are tabletops, there's rollers. There are some triples, but they're not like super peaked or dipped out triples with openings. You can roll through a triple, you could double it, you could single it. I've seen kids out here on 50s, I've seen guys ripping in the A class. It's a very easy track to ride in that regard, that anybody can ride it. There is a full bathhouse too, so you've got running water with hot and cold water. You've got showers, that way you can clean up if you don't have a camper with you. I don't see any RV hookups, so it is dry camping, or if you've got a hotel down the road, but it seems like a cool place to just come and chill. One thing I absolutely love seeing at race facilities is a PA system, and they've got a very strong PA with good setup, so you can hear the announcer virtually anywhere you are on the property to talk about staging, to talk about who's racing, and they're actually commentating on the race to tell you who's in first and how it's going throughout the race. So that's pretty cool to see. One pretty interesting thing that I've noticed here on the property is that we've got these water spigots attached to basically fire hoses to water the track. That way they don't have to get a truck out there or run permanent irrigation systems. They can just run the hose to where they need to. Being it's a race day, I can't get on the track and explore too much, but it looks like it's being pretty well maintained. From what I was told, they do a great job of grooming this for races, but throughout the rest of the year, if they're not racing, it's dependent on the people who are members of the property to maintain it. So take that with a grain of salt. If you have questions about joining and being a member, I'll link their website below with their email address to reach out to them. There's no pricing on the website. I don't want to interrupt them today during the race to ask too many questions, but if you have questions, reach out to them directly. They can get you set up, or maybe they do demo days, I'm not sure. Check out their socials, and as always, ride safe and ride some more. Have fun.